Hi there, it's Chris here again with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Lingo Blaster 2 review. Now for those of you out there who are putting videos out on YouTube and you want to tap into really an untapped resource of, I'm talking billions of more potential viewers to your videos, and you want to do it in a way where not a lot of people know about it, and you want to do it with not so much tedious work, and with a click of a button, Lingo Blaster has figured out this amazing way to tap into just way more audiences. Today we're going to take an over-the-shoulder look into Lingo Blaster 2 so you can see exactly what I mean, exactly what I'm talking about. And as well as that, I've also gotten you some amazing bonuses that I've handpicked to go hand in hand with Lingo Blaster, so you get the absolute most out of it, you get the biggest bang for your buck, and you really hit the ground running with it and maximize your use of it. So before we get into it, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and also turn on that little bell if you want to be updated with new platforms coming out that are going to help you make money online. Also, if at any time you want to jump ahead during this video, make sure you first click the link in the description. What that will do is first send you off to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Lingo Blaster 2 vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, what that does is lock in all of those bonuses before then sending you off to the Lingo Blaster 2 website. And if you do decide to purchase, you'll not only get Lingo Blaster 2, but you'll also get all those bonuses thrown in with it in a big bundle that you can access immediately. Now the first bonus I've gotten for you is massive bonus, YouTube authority, along with a secondary bonus thrown in, YouTube SEO version 2. So Lingo Blaster 2 is a tool that is going to help you reach a lot more audiences. This is a tool that's going to make you understand YouTube on a very deep level. Descriptions, titles, tags, going hand in hand with Lingo Blaster 2 really well, helping you understand what tags to use. So Lingo Blaster does a thing where it translates your tabs, but getting your tabs right in the first place, this product is going to help you to do, among other things. Bonus number 2 is Free Business Videos Pro. So what this bonus is all about, it's going to help you to, really it's just a massive course on helping you find traffic and audiences for free in different places online that most people don't think about. So really it's a traffic generation product. So while you're going to get a lot of traffic, a lot more traffic to your YouTube videos using Lingo Blaster 2, this is going to help you to, if you want to be a bit more proactive about going out and getting there rather than being passive, this is a great tool for that. Bonus number 3, a similar product, Traffic Secrets Unleashed, but this focuses more on social media and with how to get traffic from different channels like Reddit and Google's and blogs and Facebook, Instagram, all that kind of stuff. How you can proactively go out there and get traffic and do it in the right way. Because I found that with viral videos I've been involved with is that you sometimes you need to proactively go out in the beginning and just really light that spark. And then once you do that, you can sit back and just watch that snowball get bigger and bigger. So 2 bonuses in there that I've thrown in to help you go out and get traffic. Bonus number 4 is Modern Affiliate Marketing, and you're thinking, well, what's this got to do with video curation and ranking software? Well, if you're going to be getting a lot more views to your YouTube videos, I recommend you learn about affiliate marketing. So if you don't have a product of your own that you're putting in the description of your videos, you can also market other products on platforms like ClickBank, for example, platforms that offer you, or even Amazon, you know, a lot of companies now have affiliate programs, but with ClickBank as opposed to Amazon is they're going to give you 50% commissions. So if you can figure out a way to find relatable products on these affiliate network platforms and put them in the links to your videos, you're going to get a whole lot more eyeballs, not only on the video, giving you ad revenue, but also on those links and clicking on those links and giving you another source of revenue as well. So that's why I threw that in there. Bonus number 5 is Podcast Mastery. Another one a little bit out of right field, but I figure if you're going to be putting videos on YouTube, you know, YouTube has something like a video updated every millisecond or something like that. But the new thing now is podcasting, and a lot of advertisers are paying people on their podcast to advertise really just as much as YouTube. I listen to a lot of podcasts, and what they remind me of is really a lot of YouTube channels. You know, people are getting sponsored by, you know, Dollar Shave Club and, you know, all these different companies. So I figure, why not put a YouTube video out, let that go viral, also link in your podcast, and all that takes is for you to really turn your video into an MP3 player on just any one of those conversion websites. It takes you 2 minutes, and then throw it up on anchor.com or Podbean or another podcasting platform. And that way you're just, you know, spreading your feelers out there. So you're going to have audiences on your YouTube, audience on your podcasts, and then that leads to audiences on your social media. So I recommend getting into podcasting. I'm doing it myself as well. So if that all sounds good to you, step one, link in the description. You'll go through to the bonus page, click on these green buttons that will lock in the bonuses and send you off to the Lingo Blaster sales page, which looks like this. I'd recommend going through their sales page in your free time, checking out demos and such and functionality and what you can expect, just so you can make a more informed decision. And if you do decide to purchase it, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this, and under the green button will be Lingo Blaster 2, and under the blue button will be all the bonuses I just talked about. Really simple. My email's here if you have any problems. And I will say, keep your eye on this countdown timer. This is all a launch week special. Any bonuses, any discount pricing that gets activated when you click these buttons as well. It is all dependent on this countdown timer. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lower price. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into Lingo Blaster 2 and see what it's all about.
Hey guys, Vlad here, and let me show you how Lingo Blaster 2 can help you. Now, first things first, we need to select the video that we want to translate and rank in foreign languages. So I'll go with this Make Money Online video, and I will move to the next step. Now, in this step, we need to select the languages in what our title and description will be translated to. So I will go with these 4 languages, and I will also select Romanian. Perfect. Now, by doing this, we are already tapping into over 1 billion extra people that do not speak English. Now we can move to the next step. And here we can select exclusion words. So these are words that won't be translated in the final version. I'm going to skip this for now, and in just a few seconds the translation process will finish. Alright, so all that you have to do now is click publish, and all our translated video details are now uploaded on our video. Now, besides a ton of tweaks and improvements we did to the translation algorithm, the major new feature that was added in Lingo Blaster 2 is the ability to translate captions. By doing this, when somebody that does not speak the language of your video, when he will see your video, he will see instantly the captions in his own language. So he will be able to understand your video. So right now I'm going to select the same video again. I'm going to move to the next step and select the 5 languages. Now you can select all the languages that you want, but in this case I'm going to select these 5 languages. Now as you can see, the translation is done. Now I simply hit publish on YouTube and we are done. So everything is translated. Come on, let's open YouTube in a private tab and let's see how everything looks. First, let's see if it's ranking. So I pasted the title in French, and here it is on the first page. Our video is ranking for the French keywords. Amazing, right? Let's try it in Romanian. So again, I pasted the title in Romanian, and here it is, ranking on the first page in Romanian, right? Amazing. Now let's click on the video, and as you can see, the original title and description is in English, right? Let's change the language to Romanian, exactly like a Romanian would see this video. So let's select Romanian, and amazing, take a look here, the same video, but the title and the description is now in Romanian. So this will happen to all the languages that you translate in. Not only that, as you can see, the caption is translated in Romanian also. So let's change the language to Spanish, and as you can see, the caption is in Spanish, so the title is in Spanish, and the description is in Spanish. So we have one single video ranking in multiple languages. It can be understood by people that speak Spanish, Romanian. Alright, so this is what Lingo Blaster will do for you. It will help you tap in a market that is not tapped by anybody else, and you will get increased exposure and more views for your videos.
Alright, hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on Lingo Blaster 2. When I saw this, I was like, wow, I've never even thought that that was possible. So, you know, a lot of potential there for a lot more traffic that most people are not even going after. So really quickly, if you go through to my bonus page again, I've got a little write-up here about what you can expect just if you decide to buy it. So Lingo Blaster, $27 currently, and everything you basically saw in the video. There's a one-time offer, which is multiple account support, 5 extra logins, no delays, and you get a bonus of a mass downloader. One-time offer number 2 is the agency version, so sell Lingo services to other people. One-time offer number 3, Video Marketing Blaster, find profitable keywords to target and generate. It generates SEO titles, descriptions, and tags. So a little bit extra automation there for $20 extra. One-time offer number 4, Video Spin Blaster, video creation software. Again, does text-to-speech support, a little bit more automation, a little more functionality there for $10 more. So figure out what's right for you. Everybody's different, and yeah, I will say this, you do only need the front end to get all the bonuses, so don't feel like you need all these extras. So with that being said, you know, for $27 and getting all those bonuses, it's just a whole lot of value there, full money back guarantee as well, so not a lot to lose here. If you do have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop them in the comments, hit me up on social media, my email is fine as well, I reply to everybody, and if not, enjoy Lingo Blaster, enjoy those bonuses, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.